So you might have heard about something called clinical trials and how they help make potential vaccines and medical treatments, like for COVID-19.
But what actually are clinical trials?
Here's the deal. Without clinical trials, we wouldn't have the medical treatments that people need.
And clinical trials wouldn't be possible without the people who take part in them, including young people.
Clinical trials are how we find out if potential treatments work and how safe they are for the people that need them.
Clinical trials follow a ton of rules and a detailed plan. There are a bunch of doctors, nurses, and other experts that watch over the rights and safety of everyone in the trial.
But none of that can happen without the real MVPs of clinical trials. Trial participants. Clinical trial participants are the people who agree to be in a trial. They might use a new treatment or another treatment the doctors are comparing it to.
Here's the thing. We won't know if a treatment works for young people unless some trial participants are our age.
How come?
Well, treatments don't always work the same for everyone. It can depend on things like a person's age, gender, race, and body type. So, clinical trials need all kinds of people to help find out how the treatment works for everyone.
Let's say I'm thinking about being in a clinical trial. What do I need to know?
First, your parents or guardians can be with you throughout the trial. You'll decide together if you want to be in the trial, and they'll also get updates about what's going on with your health.
Trials can take a lot of time. You might miss some of your normal activities or have to make up schoolwork.
There might not be any changes in your health, and the treatment may not work. You also might feel sick or have serious medical problems.
You might get a placebo, which looks or even tastes just like the trial treatment, but doesn't have any actual treatment in it.
And if I change my mind about being in a clinical trial?
You can decide to stop being in a trial at any time for any reason.
Remember, just being in a clinical trial helps doctors get closer to a treatment that could help people. If the new treatment helps you feel better, it might help others too.
If it doesn't, that helps doctors know they need to try something else.
If you're thinking about being in a clinical trial, learn more about it and talk with your parents, guardians, and your doctor too.
Watch our next video to learn about the people that play a part in making a treatment.